Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. I don't think I have a good voice. I just landed and it feels so very good. Let's do it. A cup of espresso. Look at the coffee. Look at it. So good. Now, a little bit too early. Okay. Look at it. I cannot do it, but this is so very good. Wow. I need to get my proper spoon. I have a dedicated spoon. Oh my goodness. Finally, there is nothing better than the coffee from home. Excuse me for the noise. I cannot do anything about it. Okay. Okay. Hello, dear. I have no voice. It's almost 24 hours waiting, going. Anyway, I am home. I am so happy, so happy, so very happy. Let me have this cup of coffee and then I will do a backyard report. It's beautiful there. Oh, so good. This is heavenly. No place has coffee as good as home.